In previous classes already we discussed linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial. Now in this class, quadratic polynomial, the case one is two zeros are distinct. Then here three graphs are there. First one, let A and A dash are the zeros, distinct zeros. The graph like this one, first one is the graph A and A dash, two zeros are, one is positive, another one is negative. This is positive, this is negative. Here both the zeros are positive, here both the zeros are negative. In this type of graphs will comes here quadratic polynomial. Next, case 2. Case 2, two zeros are same. When the two zeros are same, the graphs are like this. First one, A and A dash are the two zeros. Here first one is, here two zeros are 0 and here two zeros are positive number, here two zeros are negative number. Here A and A dash are the two zeros, here A and A dash are the two zeros, coincides. Here also A and A dash are the two zeros, coincides. Case number 3, when a quadratic polynomial has no zeros, it means quadratic polynomial has not any zeros. Here in this one, first example, the graph parabola like this. Here the parabola does not intersect the x-axis. Here also the parabola does not intersect the x-axis, only y-axis intersects. Here in this case there is no zeros of the polynomial. Here exercise number 9.1, in the first problem, first graph, this is the graph. The graph intersects the x-axis. Here the graph is this line does not intersect x-axis, means the graph not intersecting x-axis. It means therefore the graph or polynomial has no zeros. It means here the graph does not intersect the x-axis. It means the graph or polynomial has no zeros. Next, problem number 2. Here the graph intersects x-axis in only one point, that is one point. This is, here the graph intersects x-axis at only one point. The graph intersects at only one point. Therefore, the number of zeros are 1. See the third one. Here the graph intersects x-axis. Here that is 1. Next 2, 3. The graph intersects the x-axis at 3 points. The graph intersects x-axis at 3 points. Therefore, the number of zeros are 3. Next, in 9.1 exercise, fourth one problem. Here, this is the graph. This is the parabola. This parabola intersects, the parabola intersects the x-axis at 2 points. Here, this is the 1 point, this is the another point, 2 points. Therefore, the number of zeros are 2. Next, fifth one. Here the graph intersects x-axis. This is the 1 point, this is the another point, this is the third point, this is the fourth point. It means the graph intersects the x-axis at 4 points. Therefore, the number of zeros are 4. In next, sixth one. Here the graph intersects the x-axis here. This is the 1 point, this is the second point, this is the third point. Only x-axis. The graph intersects the x-axis at 3 points. Therefore, the number of zeros are 3. Next side heading is relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomials. Here in that first linear polynomial, the standard form of a linear polynomial is ax plus b. Here ax plus b, when you are equating to 0, this is called linear equation. When a polynomial is equating to 0, it is called linear equation. Here in this linear equation, find the value of x. Ax, this b transfers this side, that is minus b. X is equal to minus b by a. This is the 0 of the linear polynomial. Next, second one is quadratic polynomial. The standard form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Here finding the value of x or zeros of the polynomial, both are same. Here example, x square minus 3x minus 4 is a quadratic polynomial. Find the zeros by using previous classes, using splitting method or factorization method. Here factorization method means, here constant is, this is the coefficient of x, minus 3 is a coefficient of x, x square coefficient, there is no number, means 1. Here there is no variable term, it means this is constant. Here constant, what is the constant? Minus 4 is the constant, and x square coefficient is plus 1. Multiplication of these two, minus into plus, minus 4 1 ja 4. For this minus 4, we have to find two multiples of this number. Here multiples of this number means 4 into 1, 2 into 2 and 1 into 4. These are the numbers, tables. Here which table is suitable for this number? Here 4 into 1, you take first this one. Here when you are adding these two numbers, that number is equal to middle term or x coefficient. Here when you are adding these two numbers equal to middle term coefficient or x term coefficient. Otherwise the difference between these two numbers, it means either which is bigger number, subtract smaller number from bigger number. Otherwise here subtract each from one another. Here 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3. It means this is the suitable table for this problem. Next you see here, this one is, when you are adding 2 plus 2, here both are plus signs. 2 plus 2 means 4, here middle term coefficient 4 is not there. 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 is not x coefficient. This table is not suitable for this problem. Next 1 into 4, 4 into 1 and 1 into 4 both are same. As it is, both are same, that's why take one time here. Next, see here. Four into 1, here 4 into 1, 4, here minus sign is there. In left side, either this number is minus sign or this number, any one of the number is minus sign, one number is plus sign. Which number is minus? You see the coefficient of x, this is the x term, coefficient of x is what? Minus 3. This minus sign denote to bigger number. This minus sign here we add to bigger number. This is the bigger number. Out of 4 and 1, bigger number is 4. Here you add minus. Minus into plus, minus. Here you see minus 4 plus 1 is nothing but minus 3. Minus 3 is the coefficient of x. Here next you come to the problem, x square first term as it is you write. For middle term you write here minus 4 plus 1. Here minus 4 plus 1. Along with x is there, we add x also. This is the middle term. Minus 4x plus 1x is nothing but minus 3x. Last term, constant term as it is you write. Next, here first two terms are one pair, second two terms are one pair. Out of these two pair, x is common. Here x is removed common means x remains inside, here minus 4. Next here, what is the common? See here 1 is there, here 4 is there, here x is there, x is not there, means plus 1 is common, x minus 4, plus 1 is common. Otherwise here whatever the bracket is there, same bracket comes here. Here whatever the bracket is there, same bracket comes here. See, next these two brackets are same, x minus 4 you write one time, here x plus 1, x plus 1 you write another time. This one is equal to 0. This one is equal to 0 means x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here this 4 comes this side means x value is 4. This comes 1 comes this side means x value is minus 1. Here x value is plus 4, x value is minus 1. These are the minus 4 plus 4 comma minus 1 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Next example number 2, 2x square minus 8x plus 6. Here 2x square minus 8x plus 2, you first factorize this one, find the zeros. Here factorization means first what is constant. Here x square term is there, coefficient of x square is 2, coefficient of x is minus 8, this is the constant term. What is constant term? Plus 6. What is x square coefficient? 2. This is also plus number, plus into plus, plus 6 to the 12. For 12 number, for number 12, you find a table 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, 4 into 3, 6 into 2, 12 into 1. See here 1 into 12, this is the suitable table. 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12, 4 3 are 12, 6 3 are 12 and 12 1 are 12. Here these three are cancelled. Here repeated ones. Here 1 into 12 is nothing but 12 into 1. Here 2 into 6 is nothing but 6 into 2. Here 3 into 4 is nothing but 4 into. Only these three you take. Out of these three, which is suitable for this problem? First you see, when you are adding or subtracting, here this is the plus 1 number, this is a, you leave it the signs of this number. This is 1, this is 12. 1 plus 12 is how much? 13. Here 1 plus 12 is how much? 13. 13 is not a coefficient of x. Next 12 minus 1 is how much? 12 minus 1 is nothing but 11. 11 is not a coefficient of x. This is not suitable table. Next you compare here 3 into 4. When you are adding 3 plus 4 is nothing but 7. 7 is not a coefficient of x. Here 7 plus 3 plus 7 is not a coefficient of x. Here subtracting each other. Here 4 minus 3 is nothing but 1. 1 is also not a coefficient of x. This is also not suitable for this problem. Next here 2 6 12. It means here 2 6 12 means this is 2 plus 6 is how much? 8. Here coefficient of x is 8. This is the suitable table for this problem. Next you see here this is the plus 12. Plus 12 means here this is 2 plus 2 plus 6. Here plus into plus, plus, otherwise minus into minus, plus. Which sign you have to add here? Either plus sign or minus sign. You see the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is how much? 8. Here this 8 is having a minus sign. That's why here both the numbers are having minus sign. Here minus into minus plus 2 6 12. This is the numbers. Splitting numbers, middle term splitting. Next you write here 2x square as it is. You split the only middle term. Middle term is nothing but minus 2x minus 6x. Last term as it is you write. See here 2x square minus 2x minus 6x. This is also minus, this is also minus. When you are adding this one, middle term as it is. First term and last term same as it is. Next, these two makes one group, these two makes one group. Here 2x is common. Here 2 is there, here 2 is there, 2 is common. Here x to the power 1 is there, x to the power 2 is there, x is common. Next, here x remains, here 1 remains. Next here, which is common? In these two numbers, which is common means, here x minus 1 is there, here also you write x minus 1 directly. It means, what is the first term of the second group? Minus 6x. Here, inside the bracket, what is there? X is there. You divide by x. Here, minus 6 is the common. Here, minus 6 is the common. You see here, minus into plus, minus 6 into x, 6x, minus into minus, plus 6 1 ja 6, as it is. Next, these two groups are, these two brackets are same, x minus 1, next 2x minus 6. When you are vacating, this one is equal to 0. It means either first bracket is equal to 0 or second bracket is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to, this is plus 1, comes this side plus 1. 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 by 2 is nothing but 3. Here 1 and 3 are the 1 and 3 are the zeros. Of the polynomial. Here the polynomial is 2x square minus 8x plus 6. This is the given polynomial. You compare with the first standard form, ax square plus 8x plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard form of quadratic polynomial. Here, what is the value of a, what is the value of b, what is the value of c? Here, zeros are the zeros of the polynomial are 1 and 3. Next, zeros of the polynomial are 1 and 3. Here, what is the value of a? A value is equal to 2, comma. B value is equal to minus 8, comma. C value is equal to 6. See here. Here x is there, here x is there. Coefficient of x is minus 8. Coefficient of x is plus b. Here b is equal to minus 8. Coefficient of x square is 2. Coefficient of x square is a is equal to 2. Here, instead of constant, 6 number is there, c is equal to 6. Next, sum of the zeros. Yes, sum of the zeros means these are the zeros. This is the number 1 and 3 are the zeros. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 is nothing but, you see here, 4 is nothing but, here, what is b? B is minus 8. This is, see here, this is nothing but 4 into 2 is nothing but 8 divided by 2. 4 is multiplied by 2 is nothing but 8 divided by 2, nothing but 4 only. This 4 here we are adding, here you see 8 is nothing but minus of b by a is nothing but 2 is nothing but 2. This is nothing but minus b by a. Here sum of the zeros are 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is nothing but 4. Here 4 is multiplied by 2 is nothing but 8. 8 divided by 2 is nothing but only 4. Next, here minus b. Minus is nothing but, here b value is minus 8. See here, minus b value is minus 8. by a value is 2. Minus into minus plus 8 by 2 is nothing but 4. This is the sum of the zeros is equal to 4. Sum of the zeros is equal to the formula. Therefore, 2x square minus 8x plus 6. This quadratic polynomial is compared with standard form ax square plus bx plus c. Here write the values of a value. A value in x square coefficient is here 2. Here x square coefficient is a is nothing but a is equal to 2. Here x coefficient is minus 8, x coefficient is plus b, b is equal to minus 8, c is equal to 6. These are the a value, b value, c value. Next, zeros of the zeros are 1 and 3. Zeros are 1 and 3. Already I have solved this one previously. See here, sum of zeros is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Sum of the zeros is equal to 4. Here is equal to is nothing but, see here, minus of minus 8 by 2 is nothing but is, see here, 4 can be written it as minus of minus 8 by 2. Here minus into minus plus 8 by 2 is nothing but 4. Here what is this one? This one is minus as it is. What is minus 8? Coefficient of x by, this is the coefficient of x square this is the next. Therefore, sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a. This is the formula. Next, the product of the zeros. Product of zeros is equal to 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Here product of the zeros is nothing but, you see here 3 is nothing but, you can write 6 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, cancels, as it is 3 comes. Here 6 is nothing but, this is the constant by coefficient of x square. Here constant is nothing but c by a. It is nothing but, see here, product of the zeros is equal to c by a. This is the formula. Next, example number 2. Find the zeros and compare with coefficients of a polynomial is x square minus 3x minus 4. First you find the zeros of this polynomial. Here you see the polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4. Here constant is minus 4 and x square coefficient is, there is no number, means 1. Here minus into plus, minus 4 1 ja 4. For this 4 you find the table 1 into 4, 4 into 1 and 2 into 2. Here both are same, you leave it this one. Here this one is 1 into 4, you add these two numbers, 4 plus 1 is 5. Here coefficient of x is not 5. Here 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3. Here the coefficient of x is 3. It means this is the suitable table for this problem. Here plus 1 into 4 is nothing but minus 4. It means coefficient of x is 3. It is this number is having minus sign. Here this sign will given to bigger number. This sign is given to bigger number. Here this is minus sign, this is plus sign. Plus 1 minus 4 is nothing but minus 3. Minus 3 is the coefficient of x. Here x square minus 3x minus 4. Here x square plus 1x minus 4x minus 4. These two as one pair. You remove common x. Here x remains plus 1. Here also x plus 1 comes inside the bracket. Here what is the third term? Minus 4x. Inside the bracket x is there. X and x cancels. Minus 4 is the common. Here x plus 1. Here both the brackets are same. You write one time. Here x minus 4 is the another bracket. These two equal to 0. It means x plus 1 is equal to 0 is nothing but x is equal to minus 1. Here x minus 4 is nothing but 0. X is equal to 4. These two are the zeros. Therefore, minus 1 and 4 are the minus 1 and 4 are the zeros of the polynomial. Next, find the sum of the zeros. Zeros is equal to, here sum of the zeros is nothing but minus b by a is equal to, what is the value of b? Here see, what is the value of b? This is x coefficient b minus 3. Here minus of minus 3. What is the value of a? A value is 1 is equal to 3. Minus into minus plus 3 by 1 is nothing but 3. This is the sum of the zeros. Product of the zeros. C by a. C is constant. Constant is minus 4. A is x square coefficient, that is 1. It is nothing but minus 4. This is the sum of the zeros. This is the product of the zeros. Sometimes they can ask only find the sum and product of the zeros. No need to calculate these one. No need to calculate this one. Here no need to calculate the zeros. Directly you write the, here given polynomial is this one, x square minus 3x minus 4. When you are comparing with this one standard form, when you are comparing this given polynomial to standard form, write the a value, b value and c value. Next directly you calculate the zeros of the polynomial. Next direct the sum of the polynomials is equal to minus b by a. Next you put the values of b value and calculate the sum of the zeros. Next product of the zeros, here c means constant, a means coefficient of x square. You can substitute the values and calculating the product of the zeros.